Harp chasing that podium as well, though. He's possibly slightly better placed than Guadagnini is to chase the podium, having 3 riders directly ahead of him. Guadagnini just holding things up a little bit through here. Gifting gets caught following him. Rubini able to go around the outside, but can't make the pass here, but maybe at the bottom of the next hill. Jumps longer and gives himself nowhere to go. Gifting heard the Honda coming down the outside of him. Just changed his line, ran him wide. He was hoping to rail the outside line, was the Swede. So Rubini will have to go again. These 4 riders. Langenfelder in 7th, Gifting, Rubini and Harp. Could go any which way. Up into that tight left. Twice. Langenfelder, and those mistakes cost him twice. 2 positions he loses in one go. He's on borrowed time now. Gifting and Rubini go through. It's only a matter of time before Harp does as well.